Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I have another Spin Master Monster Jam review. I had to order this truck is from Mix 5, and I had to order it online because it was such a pain in the backside to find. And here it is, Bakugon Dragonoid. Look at this beauty. I love this truck so much. I've wanted this truck ever since it was first confirmed to come out, and oh my gosh, does this truck look beautiful. I love it. Alright, so, let's not waste any time. Let's get this bad boy open. Oh my gosh, this truck is so awesome. I am in love with this beautiful truck. And, oh man, the truck is cold because it was sitting outside in the package. Oh man. It was so worth the wait. I am so glad I finally have it. Alright, first let's take a look at the figure, representing Camden Murphy. Alright, here is the truck. So, the arms are movable on the truck, and the horn is movable as well. So that's pretty cool. The wings are not really that movable, they're just hard plastic. Oh my gosh, I love this truck. This truck is so awesome. Alright, let's take a look at the red rims. You got the horn, which is movable. Of course, you got the movable arms on the side. You got the 3D teeth, and then the green eye. It says Dragonoid right there, and then the Bakugon and Monster Jam logo on the wings. The wings are kind of long on the diecast, but I mean, I actually don't mind that because, like, according to Monster Jam OCD, I heard that the wings were originally supposed to be, like, large on the real truck, but they had to shorten it because of, you know, fiberglass production, but it's fine. And this truck is owned by Spin Master, so Spin Master has the right to keep the wings long on it, which I don't mind. I think it looks better this way. And then you got the Bakugan logo on the top. You got the molded tail. Oh my gosh, this truck is so beautiful. I'm just like, if I sound a little wacky today, I'm just super excited that it finally came because I have wanted this truck for such a long time. Like, my stores never got this truck, and this truck was just becoming a pain in the butt to find. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna spend some of my birthday money and just order this freaking beauty on eBay, and that's what I did. It took about like 10 days for this to come, but it was worth the wait. I love this truck. So yeah. Shout out to Monster Jam fan 0311 if you're watching this. Well, there you go. I finally have it. I finally got it after so long. Yeah. Yeah, so this was the last truck I got with my birthday money. So yeah. Oh man, this truck is beautiful. Alright guys. So yeah. Alright, so that was the unboxing of the beautiful Bakugan Dragonoid monster truck. I highly recommend picking it up if you see it. Or if you can't find it, then I would just do what I did, order it on eBay. Yeah. This truck will not make its Sign Up Series debut until Sign Up Series 17. So yeah. Yeah, so and also I do have one announcement for you. I am going to be in May. I'm going to Monster Jam World Finals 21. So so anyone who's watching this video, comment down below if you're going to World Finals. It would be a genuine pleasure to meet anyone else who's in the Monster Jam community. And yeah, so yeah, all right, guys, that's it for this video. More videos coming soon, and especially the rest of my Snipe Series events will include the Dragonoid because it's my favorite truck. And yeah. All right, guys. So that's it. Take care, guys.